Hello everybody and welcome back to the Meaty Mammoth channel. In today's video I will be playing the demo for this new game called the Skin Stapler. Now without further ado, let's start a new game. It has a retro art style, which I'm a big sucker for. I love retro art style games. It's just a nice visual change from all of the AAA studios. We're going to make it look realistic.
February 23rd,
This gets boring.
Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights.
This guy sounds like a Rorschach from Watchmen.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
Men go to prison. Dogs get put down.
Every night, I ask myself the same question: how much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday.
Please report any possible sighting. Police sketch.
Murder was just waiting for its turn.
Murder's been for sale for a long time. It's got hitmen.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater.
Dick Slater.
Keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
No.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Oh, damn. Well, he said fuck you to those trash cans, huh, there, Dick? Oh, that artwork's really good. That startled me a bit, that little pop-up of it there. That's a very small police station.
PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
This looks more like a house than a
Let's see what the chief wants.
Police station. I don't know how long this demo is. It's a demo, so it's probably like less than an hour. Hello.
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Bye-bye. This police station is filthy. Where'd you buzz me in? Oh, okay, here. If I walked into a police station and saw this, I think I'd be like, I'm not even gonna bother reporting the crime. I'd feel scared walking into a police station this filthy. Hello.
You're still chasing ghosts, Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
This guy's not making it to retirement at all.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh. I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
Can you move my mic a bit?
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Ah, the classic police line. What's that from? Ooh, you look like a ghoulish woman.
Look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Oh, Slayer, telling me you didn't do anything with this hag.
Not even a little.
Ah,
Shame. I've got a real thankful man who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
leave him alone.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Yeah, and maybe some plastic surgery. Or at least some makeup. Oof. People are gonna be so mad at me for saying that, but I mean, she was committing HR violations, it seems like. Hello.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
And the skin stapler.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79.
Full Mooner Gooner?
legendary.
No fucking way.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer.
To be honest, I prefer working alone too.
O'Brien?
Is he gooning right now? Is there donuts over there? Yep.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Oh my good god. That cannot possibly even taste good, mixing all those different types of donuts at once.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
I don't fully trust Robbie.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
I don't know that reference, but okay.
Killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Bye. You asshole. Alright, so I spoke to you already. Spoke to you. Is there anyone else to oh, I didn't speak to you yet. What are you doing in here?
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick. I mean, Detective Slater. Sir!
So you're the socially awkward cop, okay.
Elmer, You hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here. At the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Yeah, but pushing buttons is a lot safer.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about the stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. I mean, detective.
Yeah, Elmer's not ready for the streets, that's for sure. Is that not the exit? Ah, there we go. Bye! So it's my cruiser.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
It's raining out. Why is this guy in a vest and a short sleeve shirt? The quick fix. Hot fresh wieners inside. The quick fix is a name for a hot dog place. Weird.
Beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
This guy's gonna die.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Hello, thanks for calling the quick fix. How may I help
Fix at
you?
The quick fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
God damn it, Eric. Is he taking a shit right now?
Are you calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting! Alright, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Gross. I gotta go get the meat. Probably around back now. Oh, think I may have gone the wrong way. Yeah, I did. I went up the front thinking you go out the back. I didn't realize there was a fence here. Oh, I can't go through that door. Okay. Where's the meat out here? Like, did it already get thrown out, I wonder? There's probably a back door out the, through the office, huh? Yeah, there was. Is that the meat? Oh, yeah, it's already been thrown out. Oh. Hi there.
Does this place ever actually fix anything?
This is the stapler. You fit the description of the drawing.
Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
I like his voice.
Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Okay, let's go call the police, because even if I stop the stapler, he is suspicious and sketchy as fuck.
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
I would immediately call the police. There's a killer on the loose and a guy just walks up to me doing last shit in the middle of the night during the rain. Yeah, I'm calling the cops. Time to make the meat. Oops. I don't think this is how you make sausages, but alright. I guess he has his own method for it. Ah. Ah. Ah, fuck. Damn it, I suck at this. There we go. Ah. Is this the rest of the game? Or a demo, sorry. Oh, no, that's it. Man, I was not good at that at all. I missed so many. No, I didn't grab the wieners. Hello. Are you here for some wieners? This is also like a mini grocery store, too. Or gas station, rather, sorry. Nice long and make it snappy. Okay. Cook the meat. Thick. She said long, right? Where's the buns at? Untoasted. How do I toast it? Where's the toaster? This thing? Ooh, that's loud. Oh, I did this wrong. Okay. Now cook the wiener. I had I had to like get some other buns going while waiting. Can I add one hot dog at a time to the thing? And I can't. Okay. I need ketchup and mustard. Okay. Yeah. Here you go. Oh, what? Okay, nice technique you have there, buddy. Interesting way to chow that down. Yeah, I can only cook one at a time. That's weird. So just walk in. I don't have a finished time. Oh, what did she say she wanted? Here you go, ma'am. Alright, hopefully that tasted good for you. Have a nice evening. Oh, he's back. Hello.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
Okay, so he's also a cannibal.
Well,
okay.
If you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
I would assume no.
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Okay, bye. Thanks for coming down to the quick fix. You fucking maniac. Ooh, you look like hell. What the fuck? You guys even tasting the wieners? Okay. Like, did a exorcist a backbend to get that down his throat, alright. Interesting technique. Is the guy still looking for his staples over there somewhere? That's the toilets. What is that girl doing? Hello.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Oh, shrimp ramen is bad. Oh.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh, good God.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Uh-oh. Blair, I'd run away. What a fucking pervert. What do you want? Alright. Find your staples soon, please, and get out. Ah!
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
That actually got me really fucking hard.
It seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
I was wondering why that thing was going off when I had no wieners going.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
Oh, you're talking about Blair, you fucking creep.
What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, okay. Oh, because he's still in here, I guess, yeah.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Did he get shit on the door?
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Oh, disgusting. Ugh. Not again. Oh, we're just getting all that poop water in our face, huh? There we go. Ew, man, what are you doing?
Stupid thing isn't working.
Move.
What the? What is that sound?
Water coming up through the pipes. Move your face. Oh, God. Did that kill him? Overdose on fecal matter? What the hell? Gutters and a bowling alley. Now we're playing as Blair, I'm assuming. This is where she said she worked at. A 24-hour bowling alley? What the hell?
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Wake your ass up with your mohawk out an ass.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
This guy looks like a dirtbag.
What the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Nudies. Who calls them that? Did I go the wrong way? I think so. Yeah. Carnival and Terror. Cool little poster. Now there's the microwave. Man, everything in this
Later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
everything in this game is so dirty and gritty. It reminds me of the Saw movies where everything is just like dirty. Not this dirty though, like this is extreme.
Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair.
It sounds
the
pretty
only
easy.
balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Yeah, this guy is a dirtbag.
Oh, wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
What do you mean I don't need to go? Oh, I gotta. Which one is the jammed one? It's gotta be this one, right? Yeah. Don't know if that's how you fix a ball dispenser, but okay. There we go. I didn't miss a single one that time. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is this thing a cannon? What the fuck?
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Yeah, that would have killed us.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
The door just opened. Oh! Hello.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
I would immediately tell him to leave.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
Ooh, that's cheap for bowling.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Good God.
Thanks, I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
What the fuck is that even supposed to mean?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6, thank you.
You didn't pay. You have to pay before you play. The lane doesn't activate till you pay.
Total creep.
Jesus, how many times do I have to do this? All clean. Next one. Last one. Oh, he was right there looking at me.
All right, time to clean.
Yeah, he was
stinky
right
shoes.
there. Where's the aerosol to clean it with? There it is.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
What the fuck? What a... We're supposed to start with a certain pair. Yeah, he's gone. Is he in the bathroom? Oh no, there he is. Is it glitched out or something? It's not like showing me that it's counting. Oh, there we go. I have to be really close. I think it's just a bit overkill.
That should do it.
Where'd he go? He's gonna pop up and scare the shit out of me, I feel like.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
He also didn't pay.
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Okay, he's gonna be waiting for us there. 1,000,000%. He's either gonna be waiting for us inside here, or he's hiding in the bathroom waiting for us to come out.
I'll eat this back at the register.
$20,000 says I'm gonna open the store and he's gonna be right there. Pay me. Are we in front of the feeder? Yep.
What happened?
It's gonna blow her head off like a cannon.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
We're hallucinating.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh, hello there.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp? I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
His mask is made of flesh, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Blair, you know what he means. You can't be that stupid.
Beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Bye, Blair. Oh, God. He literally ripped off all her flesh. Oh, I thought he was like stapling flesh to make it into like costumes, like a Leatherface thing. I didn't think he was stapling them to walls, like artwork. That's fucking brutal. It's gonna be her face. I can see the eye hole. Mm-hmm. Wow, man. What an interesting little demo. That was fun. Yeah, that's the mask he wears. End of demo. Thank you for playing. Please wish this the full release. Game and music. Game assets. Yeah, I'm going to take a picture of the game assets. I want to learn how to code and make my own game someday. I just don't need to take a photo. I'm recording. Duh. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. And as always, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.